Hello everyone, this is a lecture on prenatal sonographic spectrum of split spinal cord malformation, previously called Diastematomyelia. Split spinal cord malformation is division of spinal cord into two hemicords by a bony or a fibrous septum. It can be isolated or there can be associated anomalies. Now the types are type 1, separate dural sac covering each hemicord by a bony or fibrous septum, and step type 2 is a single dural sac covers both the hemicords, which there can be incompletely split cord. So the spectrum of all these types are shown in this lecture. If you would like to listen to the lecture, please log on to sunoshare.in and listen to the lecture under fetal medicine. Thank you.